Hi, today we are talking about the topic. The, the share market stock is a 3 year for the more than giving returns for the 2500%. That stock name is the KSLs India. This stock is giving for the 3 years for the returns 2500 something returns. 2500 returns for that stock in 3 year before that stock value is the just 13 rupees. You are buying 13 rupees to 1000 shares. It becomes investment for the 13,000 rupees. 13,000 rupees now its value for the share price now it's for the 343 rupees. Now you have to purchase the 13,000 rupees to 1000 shares. That 1000 shares to calculate into 343 rupees, that it becomes for the 3,43,000 rupees. You are just investing the 13,000 rupees. Now it's become 3,40,000 rupees. Just you are investing the 1,30,000 rupees. It becomes for that value is the 34 lakh 30,000 rupees. Just you have to gain more money in just 3 years. In just 3 years you are spending 1,30,000 rupees. It becomes value in just you are gaining for the 34 lakh 30,000 rupees. Now it's the 10 times. Now you are investing amount to it gives for the 30 times returns. So you are also you are doing also business is not making in the short time is not giving the short time of these amount of returns. Some of the business are as soon as going and pick up to giving for more returns. But some of business are not giving this type of big returns. So in the stock market you have to choose many stocks to choose. You have to gain for the more stocks because so many persons are gaining like Warren Buffett and so many rich persons are today. So you have to go and see the rich person and list. They have to 20 to 30% of their assets are in equity shares and funds, and like in share market and money market, and like that their assets are in properties. And so you also invest in the share market because share market every year is going on, your money is double. So in 10 and every year double. It's just you are investing 10 lakhs in 10 lakhs. You have to hold the stocks in 30 years. It becomes for that 100 crore rupees because every year is going to double that money. So that's it. It's in share market you have to how much time you holding your stocks. That time of that you have to how much time holding the stocks. That time of stocks is giving the share market in money. So here is time to making for the money. So how much time of you are holding the stocks, that time of stocks are giving the money. So that's it. So and you want to make money in the share market, you have to pay. How patience is important. You don't have patience, you don't have make money here because every day is not going on increasing that stocks because some of days are going on loss, some of days are going on and going increase and going on profits. And so I have to patience. It becomes going on day by day. It's increasing and when it's pick up that stock is going on every day is increasing. So that's it. And you have to patience is important. You have to make more money here. So you don't have patience, you don't go to trading because trading is risky. Because when you are going to trading, you don't lose, you are losing the money. So that's why don't go to trading. So the trading is risky. So that's why, because every day is not going profit, sometimes are going on loss. So that's why I'm telling. So that's it video, and share this video your friends because stock market is done. So many persons are making money like Warren Buffett is entire 90% of wealth is gaining the money in the share market. He is a share broker. He is the world famous investor. He is the world best investor. So because he have 90 he have age for the 11 years he is starting the investment in the share market. So he have for the 80 years experience in the 70 year now 80 years experience in the stock market because he has starting investing in the at age 11. Now its age is the 92. So how for the 80 years something experience in the stock markets. So that's it video, and share this video for your friends. And they also make money, and you want to make money, or you want to make money here, you have to knowledge is important, because you have to analyze for all things about the business, how much person is gaining, how much profits gaining in the recent periods, and last year balance sheet. We want to for analyze all things, the business in future is the need in the public or not. You want to analyze for all things, the business, how much production making in the monthly, year period, quarterly, and year wise. And in front of future is the business demand or not in public. You want to for analyze all things, then you want to invest in the share market, because that share market is the long term return giving. So that's why you want to analyze for future. You want to future is the future is one. If you want to think for future about that share market, that stock based, that share market business. So when you want to analyze for all things, when you want to invest that money, so that's it. Because you have to knowledge is important to investment, because when you are without knowledge, you are investing, you are losing the money. So that's why first learn that share market and then invest. So that's it video, and share this video for your friends also. And thank you for watching this video in front of share market videos. And so many stocks are giving for more returns. So which stocks are giving more returns, that type of stocks or videos are coming for in this channel, and do subscribe for this channel. And thank you for watching this video.